Oh, that's a funny noise Grandma's making, isn't it? Oh. Oh, that's silly. Oh. Let me hear you make a funny noise. Oh. You want to come and get your book? You want to come and get your book? Oh. 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 What's going on over there? Oh. You like that funny noise? You think that's funny, don't you? Oh. Are you going to come and get Sophie? She's very lonely and wants Arlo to come and get her. Yeah? Yeah, she does. She's been waiting all morning. Oh. Oh. I think you can come over here. I think you can. Oh. We need to have our little passy before we can go anywhere. Yeah. Come and get Sophie. Please come and get Sophie. Oh. Oh. You're funny. Oh, better get that passy again. Better get that pacifier again.